In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your annual report for a Florida corporation or a Florida LLC. First thing you want to do is you want to click on search records and you want to find your particular company. So I'm going to search by name and I'm going to type here the company name. Then I'm going to click on search now. Then I'm going to click on the company name that I want to update. And then I'm going to copy the document number. So the document number is that number that sits here right next to document number. So I'm going to copy that entire number that starts with a letter. Right click and copy. Then I'm going to go back to the home page of Sunbiz once again. And then I'm going to click on where it says Manage Change and Existing Business. I'm going to click on File Annual Report. Then there's a big button here that says click here to file your annual report. I'm going to now paste the document number. I want to make sure the document number is complete in there, that there isn't any missing digits. I'm going to click on submit. Then it's going to ask me to double check that the address, tax ID, that all the information is accurate. On the right hand side, you'll have the fee. If you do the annual reports on time before the end of April of each year, usually the fee is between $138 to $150. If you do it after April 30th, they're going to add an additional $400 to it as a late penalty. And if you don't do it by September, they're going to completely dissolve your company, and getting it reinstated will cost a lot more than $500. So I'm going to double check that all of the addresses, officer names, and all that stuff is accurate. Then I'm going to click on where it says move on to final review. Then I'll scroll all the way down, update the email address of the business owner or the person in charge. I will sign as an officer, president, vice president, that sort of thing. And then we click on move on to payment selection. And then on the next screen, you select credit or debit card. Then click on continue and simply just enter your credit card information, hit on continue, and that should renew your annual report with the state of Florida.